Earlier today, we drove along the ring road through the eastern fjords to Seyðisfjörður, where we checked out the Rainbow Street and sights, including Tisinger. We changed our plans based on the weather and decided to head back for some hiking in Seyðisfjörður. Despite relatively short distances, weather can vary considerably from one valley to another. Still before 10 o'clock, so we have a relatively, potentially, on-time start.
I think we should go check out our little waterfall right in the neighborhood.
Okay, that sounds nice.
Going on a nature walk around our property.
We loved that our cabin was so private, with hiking right on the property. After a quick nap, we hit the road. It was risky going to Seyðisfjörður because we knew there was a cruise ship, but we figured the trail would be a safe place to avoid the crowds. We tested Adam's 4x4 driving skills to find parking at the trailhead.
Remember where we parked.
So I don't know how far we're gonna go. It's very cold, but we have an adequate number of snacks and baked goods from yesterday. It's a beautiful area, the fjords, but it might rain. All right, we have a late start. It's around noon. I only think it's like in the 30s or 40s. It's very cold. Okay, let's get going.
Okay. This is amazing. We're getting true eastern fjords up here.
Only 15 minutes from town, there was nobody here. Despite the blistery conditions, this was one of the most beautiful places we'd ever been. This is the best peanut butter and jelly sandwich ever! We would have loved to have flown the drone, but it was way too windy. We'll see how good this stabilization is. Up on the snowy pass is a colorful roadside art exhibit called Heavier Mountain by a local artist. It was inspired by the long, dark winters. I wonder if people thought the puffin was part of the exhibit. This turned out to be an exceptional day of beauty and contrast in Iceland's wild east. Coming up on our next video, we take a midnight hike literally next to our cabin. It's a reforestation project with great views. Stay tuned.